Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best car batteries for cold weather that are available on the market for their true quality. You can find links to all the products in the description below. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 4 is the Degio Berlin Battery Insulation Kit, a versatile and durable option for extreme temperature protection. This product is made of high-quality fiberglass material and is capable of enduring direct heat up to 1800 degrees Fahrenheit and intermittent heat up to an impressive 2501 degrees Fahrenheit. Designed for both cold winters and hot summers, this insulation kit helps maintain optimal battery temperature to ensure reliable performance year-round. It even features acid-neutralizing properties that protect against corrosion in case of a leak. The Degio Berlin Battery Insulation Kit is easy to install, thanks to its flexible and trimmable design. It comes with a 40 by 7 inch blanket, a smaller 11.81 by 7 inch piece, and a high temperature resistant tape for secure application. Weighing just 9.1 ounces, it's lightweight and doesn't add bulk to your battery compartment. The silver exterior gives it a sleek, modern look, while the lab-tested build quality ensures long-lasting performance. Ideal for extreme climates, this insulation kit is suitable for cars, trucks, and RVs. While the Degio Berlin kit offers excellent thermal protection, it's worth noting that its price is not listed, which could be a drawback for budget-conscious buyers. Additionally, the lower number of customer reviews, only 6 ratings, makes it harder to gauge long-term reliability. However, its high heat resistance and acid-neutralizing properties make it a strong contender for those who need robust, all-weather battery protection. Pros include exceptional heat resistance, easy installation, and acid protection. Cons are the unknown price and limited user feedback. Overall, it's a great option for extreme conditions. Taking the number 3 spot on our list is the MightyMax Battery MMG24F, a powerful AGM car battery built for dependable cold weather performance. This 12-volt, 70 amp-hours battery packs a punch with 710 cold cranking amps (CCA), ensuring fast and reliable starts even in sub-zero temperatures. With a reserve capacity of 120 minutes, it supports longer run times, making it a durable choice for winter driving. The sealed AGM absorbent glass mat design of the MightyMax battery ensures that it's spill-proof and maintenance-free. This makes it ideal for harsh conditions as it resists shock, vibration, and extreme temperature fluctuations. The rugged construction gives you peace of mind, knowing that the battery will keep powering your vehicle reliably. It's also versatile, as it can be installed in multiple positions, excluding upside down, to fit a range of vehicles. However, this battery is heavy at 47.6 pounds, which can make installation a bit challenging. It also doesn't include wire harnesses or mounting accessories, which you'll need to purchase separately. While the price isn't listed, it's safe to assume this is a premium option. Pros include its high CCA rating, long reserve capacity, and robust design. Cons are its weight and lack of included accessories. If you're looking for a powerful, long-lasting battery to handle extreme weather, the MightyMax Battery MMG24F is a great choice. In second place, we have the Design Engineering Cell Saver Battery Insulation Kit, which offers high-performance thermal protection for automotive and marine batteries. This insulation kit is made from advanced thermal barrier material that can withstand radiant heat up to 2000 Fahrenheit, making it perfect for both cold and hot climates. It also features integrated acid-neutralizing technology, which traps and neutralizes harmful acid leaks, protecting your vehicle's components from corrosion. The Design Engineering Cell Saver is lightweight at just 7 ounces, and its compact design makes it easy to install without the need for special tools. The clean, finished appearance adds a professional touch, and the material is safe to handle during installation. This product not only keeps your battery insulated, but also extends its lifespan by minimizing the risks caused by extreme temperatures and acid leaks. It's a fantastic choice for drivers who want to protect their investment and ensure reliable performance. While this is the most expensive option on our list at $29.99, the superior insulation and acid neutralizing features justify the cost. However, it's not as versatile as some other options, as it's specifically designed for automotive and marine batteries. Pros include exceptional heat resistance, acid protection, and easy installation. Cons are the higher price and limited compatibility. Overall, this is a premium choice for those who prioritize long-term battery health and reliability. Finally, at number 1, we have the CTEK MUS 4.3 Polar Battery Charger, the ultimate solution for cold weather car battery maintenance. This 12-volt, fully automatic charger is designed specifically for extreme climates, operating efficiently in temperatures as low as -22 degrees Fahrenheit or 30 degrees Celsius. It features a patented 8-step charging process that recovers, charges, and maintains all types of lead-acid batteries, including AGM. The snowflake mode ensures faster charging in cold conditions, while the recond mode restores battery life and reconditions dead batteries. The CTEK charger is built with Nordic standard cables for flexibility in freezing temperatures, and its bright orange casing ensures high visibility. It's splash and dust-proof, reverse polarity protected, and short-circuit proof, making it incredibly safe and easy to use. Unlike underchargers, it delivers clean voltage and current without surges or spikes, so you don't need to disconnect the battery during use. Weighing just 1.63 pounds, it's lightweight and portable, yet robust enough to handle rugged conditions. While the price isn't listed, a CTEK MUS 4.3 Polar offers unparalleled features and premium build quality. It's ideal for anyone who lives in extremely cold regions and wants to maximize their battery's performance and lifespan. Pros include its advanced charging technology, safety features, and extreme cold weather performance. Cons are its higher price range and lack of versatility beyond lead-acid batteries. If you're serious about maintaining your car battery in the harshest conditions, the CTEK MUS 4.3 Polar is unmatched. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions or comments about these products, feel free to leave them below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Until next time, stay warm and drive safe.